Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, my dear children. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about
The Earth in the celestial
the
body.
Earth in the solar system.
Solar
So we
system.
know that the Earth is the planet in which we live. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we
Afternoon,
discussed
ma'am.
about the celestial bodies.
Celestial
Then
bodies.
we discussed about
Celestial
celestial
body.
bodies. Then we
Stars.
said about stars.
About stars,
Then we
ma'am.
said about the Earth too. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So before starting new topic, let us revise about what we have learned in the previous days.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Fia Maria, please tell me what are celestial bodies?
Yes, ma'am. Celestial bodies, the sun, the moon, and all the object that we see, we can see from the shining in the sky, are called celestial bodies.
Yes. Okay, the sun, the moon, and all other objects. What are the all other objects, Prayag? What are the other objects apart from the sun and the moon? We can see many other
Stars.
things we can see in the sky. What are the other objects?
Stars.
Stars, moon.
Stars, moon, then
And planets.
Asteroid.
Planets.
Planets. All
yes,
asteroid.
asteroids. Okay. So all these are known as celestial bodies.
Bodies.
Then, Ananda, please tell me few points about stars.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, Ananda, you can tell me now about stars. You can share few points about stars.
Stars are very far away from us.
Stars are very far away from us.
They create the light their own.
Okay, they have their own heat and light. Okay. Can you give me one example for a star? Can you give one example for star?
Sun.
The sun. Okay. Christo,
Ma'am,
now you can say a few points about
stars-
sun.
Ma'am, the stars are bigger than the planets.
Yes, the stars are bigger than the planets.
Stars have their own heat and light.
Yes, stars have its own heat and light. Okay.
Stars are celestial bodies which have their own heat and light.
Yes, it is one of the celestial body. They have their own heat and light. Okay. Then what about planets?
Ma'am, planets does
They
not
don't have their heat and
Yes,
light.
planets do not have their own heat and light.
essentially smaller
Okay.
than
We know
stars.
that the planets, they do not have their own heat and light. They can get the heat and light with the help of the star. So sun is a
Star.
yes.
Ma'am,
Then we,
the planet is usually smaller than star.
okay, the sun is a star and it is the ultimate source of heat and light.
Light.
So all the planets get heat and light from the sun.
Sun.
Then what we said about the sun? The sun has a gravitational or sun has a pulling force.
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, you did not say that.
Well, I didn't say that. Okay.
You stop the difference between plants and stars.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I had network issue. That's why I just joined lately.
Okay. Okay, the sun. So today we are going to discuss about the sun. So we know that sun is a huge ball of gases. Sun is a huge ball of gases and it is a star too. Okay, it is a star. The sun is
Write this in
center of solar
lecture
system.
note.
Yes. So the sun is the center of solar system. So sun is a huge ball of gases. Sun is made up of two important gases like helium and hydrogen. Okay. So the sun is the center of solar system, or it is the head of solar system. So we know that all the planets are revolving around the sun. So the sun provides heat and light to all the other planets. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It is very huge and it is made up of extremely hot gases. It provides a pulling force that binds the solar system, which means that the sun has a gravitational power, or the sun has some kind of pulling force. With the help of that pulling force, it can hold, or it can bind all the other
The solar system.
Solar system.
the solar system.
Ma'am, also Earth has a gravitational force, right?
Yes. The Earth has a gravitational force. That's what we said here. The Earth has a pulling force. With the help of that pulling force, or with the help of that gravitational force, it can hold, or it can control. It can control all the other planets in the solar system. Okay.
Can you show that slide, ma'am?
Wait. I'll show you. Okay, if you look at the picture, you can see the sun. The sun is the center of solar system, and the sun provides heat and light to all the other planets in the solar system. So the sun has a gravitational force, or the sun has a pulling force. With the help of that pulling force, it can bind all the other planets. What will happen? All the planets will scatter away, or they will move away from the sun. So the sun has a gravitational power, or it has a pulling force. The first point, the sun is the center of solar system, or it is the head of solar system. It is the head of solar system. It is very huge. So sun is a huge ball of gases. Sun is a huge ball of gases.
Like today's date also, right?
Yes. It provides the pulling force that bind, or control, or hold tightly the other planets in the solar system. Okay, the next one. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. I already said that the sun provides heat and light to all the other.
Can you show one more time?
Solar. Yes.
Ma'am, because of the sun's gravitation pull in Earth, some of the places in the sometimes sky will change into green color, like that.
The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. So we know that a planet does not have its own heat and light. So the planet receives the sunlight with the help of sun. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The previous page of the sun.
Yeah. Make it fast, okay? The sun is the center of solar system.
Can you show that?
Or it is the head of solar system. It is made up of entirely two types of gases like hydrogen and helium. So we can say that the sun is a huge ball of gases, and it provides, or it has a pulling force, or one kind of gravitational force. With the help of that, it can bind all the planets in the solar system. It provides a pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the center of solar system, and it is very huge. We know that the distance from Earth to the sun is nearly 150 kilometers, 150 million kilometers. It provides, yes.
I'm finished.
Okay, next one. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light. As we discussed earlier, a planet does not have its own heat and light.
Ma'am, this also we should write, right, ma'am?
Receives the light with the help of the star. So sun is a star. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Life on the earth depends on many factors, and sunlight is one of them. We know that without sunlight we cannot live. The plants cannot live. animals cannot live.
Not have energy.
Ah, yes, it's a source of energy. Yes. So without sunlight, we cannot live. With the help of the sunlight, we are getting day and night. Yes or no? If there is no sunlight, what will happen? If there is,
eat food, we will not get energy.
yes, we will not get energy. We will the plants
We
will
will not get
We cannot.
vitamin.
Not have daytime. And we
Yes.
will not have daytime.
Yes, we don't have daytime.
Ma'am, we will
Everytime.
not.
The climate of the earth may change if there is
Climate will be so cold.
yes, it
The
will turn into
climate
cold.
will
Even we know that plants will grow or plants can grow only with the help of sunlight. Yes, or sunlight and water is very essential for the growth of
Ma'am,
plants.
so we will not get oxygen.
Yes, we will not get oxygen. Then can we live?
No.
No.
Then we cannot
No,
live
ma'am, so
without
without
sunlight.
sunlight
Okay. So life on the earth depend upon many factors. In that, sunlight is one of the factors.
Ma'am,
Factor.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
What is the position of Earth in the solar system?
Third position.
Third position. Okay.
Third one.
And what is the distance of the Earth and the Sun?
150 million kilometers.
Million kilometers.
And the position of our Earth. Okay, here is our Earth. Then the distance between the Sun and the Earth is 150 million kilometers.
Kilometer.
Then
So what is the meaning of million?
we are still getting light.
Yes, million means 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
1 million is equal to 10 lakhs.
Over, you can change, ma'am.
150, 1, 2, 3.
Now you can change, ma'am. Over.
Okay. So this is the actual distance of the Earth and the Sun. See, 150 million kilometers. Then what
Ma'am,
about the other planets?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Is it perfectly 150 million
Yes.
kilometers away?
Approximately 149, 150, we can say like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Round off.
50 million kilometers. So we know that the position of the Earth in the solar system is third position. Then what about the other planets? Let us check.
Ma'am, should we write this also?
No need. Then Mercury, 57 million. What about Venus? 108 million. We know the Earth, nearly 150 million. Then what about Mars? 227. Jupiter? 778. Then what about Saturn? Can you read this one?
Ma'am, 1 billion.
1 billion.
Billion. 1 billion.
Then what about Uranus?
2 billion.
Then what about Neptune?
Kilometer.
Neptune is the
4 billion.
Yeah.
Oh.
Neptune is the coldest planet, right?
Yes. Why? Why it is the coldest planet?
Because it's so very far away from the sun.
Yes, because it is very, very
Sunlight
far away from the
comes
sun. See how many kilometers? Yes.
From Earth.
Yes. That's why the Neptune is coldest planet. Because sunlight is not receiving or it not travel the
Not
long
getting
distance
enough
Yes.
sunlight.
to that area. So that's why the
Excuse
Neptune
me,
is
ma'am.
coldest.
So-
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the radius of the sunlight?
Radius of sunlight. Can you
Radius.
tell me?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't. Then we have to search it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we did not get the sunlight, our right.
Yes. If we cannot get sunlight, what?
There is no
cannot
sun,
live in the
there will be no photosynthesis.
Ma'am, we will not get enough
The
energy.
plants will not grow because we know that sunlight and water is very essential for the growth of plants. You have
And
already learned
Neptune
the
is also the
photosynthesis.
darkest planet, right?
Yes. Which one?
Neptune,
Neptune?
the darkest planet.
No. Which is the largest planet in the solar system?
Not largest, darkest.
Hot, coldest.
Coldest and darkest.
Yes, coldest and darkest planet. Okay. Then solar system. We know that. Yes, this one you have to write. Solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. So you want to learn what is solar system. If you look at the page number 7, you can see exercise page, question number 2, what is meant by the solar system? So what is meant by solar system? The sun,
8 planets, satellites, and some other
satellites,
celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids
From the
from the solar
solar
system.
Excuse me, ma'am, will you show the previous page?
Which one?
Kilometers.
That no need to write, okay?
Ma'am, Pluto was extinct from planet because it didn't have gravitational force, right?
We will discuss about that. Wait.
It's a
So
draft
first we'll say
planet.
about what is solar system. Solar system, we know that the sun, because sun is the center of solar system, and all the planets are revolving around the sun. With the help of that, the planets receive sunlight from the earth, from the sun. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Look at the page number 7, question number 2. What is meant by solar system? The first one is also we discussed.
Don't remove this.
Okay, how
Slide,
does
okay, ma'am.
it differ from star? So the sun, we know that sun is center of solar system, or it is the head of solar family. Sun is the head of solar family. Okay. And there are 8 planets. What are the 8 planets? Krishna? What are the 8 planets in the solar system?
You mean the planet's name?
Yes.
Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Mars,
Mars.
Mercury. Mercury, Earth.
Mercury.
Can you say it in order wise?
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
Venus, Mercury, Earth.
Ma'am,
Distance from the sun, in order of distance from the sun.
Mercury, Venus,
Uranus,
Mercury, Venus,
Earth,
Venus,
Uranus, Neptune.
Jupiter,
Neptune.
Uranus,
Okay.
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their
can you show one
distance.
more time that previous
one?
page?
Okay. Make it fast. The sun, the 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. So here you have to study the spelling of asteroids. A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D-S. Asteroids. Likewise, meteoroids. M-E-T-E-O-R-O-I-D-S.
Yes, ma'am.
Meteoroids. So the sun, the 8 planets, satellites,
Okay, ma'am. Finish.
and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Devak Menon. So what is solar system?
Yes, ma'am.
Devak-
The sun,
Yes, please tell me what is solar system?
the sun,
The sun,
8 planets,
8 planets,
satellites, and other
satellites, and other celestial bodies.
Asteroids,
Asteroids,
meteoroids,
Form a solar system.
yes, form the solar system. Very good, form the solar system. Then again, Aramal Pradeep. Which is the center of solar system? Which is the center of solar system? Chrisjo?
Ma'am,
Sun.
The sun.
sun,
Okay. Okay. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets. These are the 8 planets in the solar system. Look at the question number 3, page number 7. All of you take your textbook, look at the page number 7, question number 3.
Name all the planets according to their
Distance from the sun. So what is the answer? In order of their distance from the sun,
They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Mars,
Uranus, and
Jupiter,
Neptune.
Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Neptune.
Okay. So okay, wait. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. Just a minute, I will show you. If you look at the picture, you can see all the planets are revolving around the sun. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Orbit.
Sun is the center of solar system and all the planets are revolving around the sun in a fixed path. They have their own way. This is known as fixed path.
Yes.
Fixed
Yes.
path.
Path.
This path is elongated. Elongated. Yes.
Ma'am,
Long circle.
some people say Mercury is the hottest, and some people say Venus is the hottest. So, which is the hottest?
Once you look at the position of Mercury, it is near to the Earth. So it is obviously hottest planet. Yes, or it receives the highest.
Ma'am, but some people say that Venus make the heat their own.
Ma'am, the Venus.
Ma'am, Venus make.
Okay, if you look at the picture, you can see all the planets are revolving around the sun. Yes, Mercury is revolving, Venus is revolving, Earth is revolving, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, all the planets are revolving around the sun in a fixed path. That fixed path is elongated. Elongated. What's the meaning of elongated?
Imaginary.
No.
Ma'am, in order.
No. Like a long circle.
Very long.
Long circle. Okay. So all the planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path, and that fixed path is known as orbit. It is known as orbit.
Orbit.
Orbit. So what is orbit?
Orbit is a fixed path where the planets
Yes, planets revolve. Okay, revolve. So you have learned about these 2 words. One is rotation and the other one is
revolution.
Yes. What is rotation? What is revolution?
Ma'am, rotation is the planets itself rotate and the revolution is around
the sun.
And what about revolution?
Around the sun.
Yes, yes. Wait. Let me ask to Anthony Joel. Please tell me what is rotation?
Ma'am, rotation is planets rotating by themselves.
Yes, the spinning of the earth on its own axis, we can say rotation. Oh, then what about revolution?
And revolution is moving around the sun.
Yes, that means the planet is rotating itself. At the same time, it rotates or it revolves around the sun. It is known as a revolution.
Revolution.
Okay, ma'am.
So all the planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path. In a fixed path.
It is called orbit.
Yes, that fixed path is known as
Ma'am,
orbit.
it's in page number 8.
Look at the page number 4. Text to page number 4.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Yes, okay. Let me take attendance. Then we will move to the next topic. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. In between you can write. Okay.
I'm
When all the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path, these paths are called orbit. Okay, let me take attendance.
previous.
Previous one. Okay. Ahil Samir,
Present, ma'am.
Abhimanyu, Aditi Ishwar, Anandakrishnan present, Anina is present, Angelina, Rose.
These are the sun.
Okay, what about Angelina Relics? Oh, just a minute.
Ma'am, we cannot see the board.
Yes. Okay, I'll show you later. Wait. Anthony Joel, present. Present.
Ma'am, the board is black.
Yes. Okay, dear children, just a minute. Let me take a photo. Okay, dear children, we will continue the next class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.